Hello, this is Si Wing Yi from the Yi Real Estate Network. On this short video presentation, I want to take this opportunity to share with our network members and everyone else out there in the real estate investor community that we will be promoting San Antonio, Texas investment opportunities very, very soon. Before I'll show you this short video clip about San Antonio, I'd like to let you know that I know San Antonio market very, very well. We've been promoting turnkey cash flow single family homes and duplexes and fourplexes in San Antonio off and on for a number of years. So we have over the years, for the past 15 years actually, we have our investors that have purchased investment properties, rental properties in San Antonio through our network. So, and those investors have done very well. So San Antonio has been a very consistent market over the years. And personally, some of you may not know, but I was in the U.S. Army active duty station in San Antonio, U.S. Army Fort Sam Houston to be exact, from 1984 to 1985. So I know the market very well, having lived there for several years. And again, from time to time, we have promoted, our network has promoted cash flow rental properties in San Antonio. And now we are back again. And this time is going to be even better based on the advanced metrics and trends and all the realistic information that we have gathered. So the momentum is very, very high. It's going to be a very booming market again, and opportunity is very limited. It's opportunity for those that are serious about achieving real estate wealth and generational wealth to pursue this market as part of your overall real estate market acquisition. All right, so it's coming soon. I'm not going to explore any details at this moment, but just keep in mind that it'll be a positive cash flow situation, 20 or 25% down payment, single family homes, and good cash flow, excellent rental market, and very good potential for appreciation, especially in the next few years, because the San Antonio market, which is only 1 hour south of Austin, right? It's just is going to do very, very well due to the shortage of homes to buy, shortages of homes to rent, huge, huge demand from home buyers, owner-occupied buyers, as well as out-of-state real estate investors, such as our group, and very good cash flow, very good rental market with a low, amazing interest rate. So this is a very, very strong up and coming market. So just want to let you know, over the years I am in front of all the growth in terms of emerging market. We put ourselves in a position to get in a particular market before everybody else finds out about it. And this is no exception. This great San Antonio market is no exception. So without further ado, let me pay you this short few minute clip. And then after this, I will conclude and then look for your email inbox coming very, very soon. So be prepared yourself for it. If some of you are really interested, you can contact me directly, so I could at least have you on my personal, what you call it, personal wait list, if you will. So I know you are for those, especially for those VIP buyers. All right. So okay, let me play this clip. Just came on. Here we go.
A recession, but our housing market remains strong. Experts say you can credit our region's diverse economy and extremely attractive mortgage rates. 12 on your side's Marilyn Moritz with a look at what you can expect in the coming year.
Despite the pandemic, for sale signs have come down in record numbers. Sales of existing homes jumped 10% last year. So now what?
The housing sector is going to be the star and the jewel in the crown, if you will, in the economic crown for the nation and for the state and for San Antonio.
Economist Jim Gaines says the strongest force behind soaring sales has been and will continue to be record low mortgage rates, still less than 3%. The other big factor, Generation Y.
Those good old millennials that, we've been talking about for the last 8, 9, 10 years. Well, guess what? They're all in the housing market now.
So where's everybody moving? The suburbs. It's another result of the pandemic, as people are finding they can work from home. San Antonio could benefit from that if folks in Austin want to move away from Austin real estate prices.
Some people in Austin, if they don't have to commute to downtown every single day, they said, I can buy a larger size home out in San Antonio, knowing that I only need to go to Austin only 2 days a week.
A growing population, economists say, means a greater need for more new home construction. Buyers already have limited inventory to shop, which drives prices up, affordability down. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.
New at 5, it may seem like an odd mix.
All right. So again, my takeaway about this is that, as many of you already know, the Austin metro market is, just on fire. It's amazing. Having said that, it is shocking that at this time, if you look at the some of the cases in Austin, like what I've noticed so far recently in the past few months, some of the properties that were on sale in Austin, for example, for $300,000. It was a few days later, it was sold for like $400,000. Some of the homes in Austin was listed initially for $500,000, and it was sold for $650,000 a few days later. All multiple offers. Some of the homes in Austin, in good areas, of course, they are not for investors. I'm just giving you some sample of what's going on. In Austin, some of the homes are $1 million homes that were listed in Austin. A few days later, there were multiple offers again, and they were sold for 1.2, 1.3. People are bidding 20 to 30% above list price in the Austin proper. So it is pretty shocking because it's everybody knows that Austin is becoming high tech. A lot of Californians are moving out there. A lot of companies, major companies are moving out there. I already disclosed that to you guys. So the path of growth, as the prices are getting so high in Austin, so the growth is into the suburbs, 30 miles outside of Austin, 40, 50 miles away into the suburbs. Guess what? The suburbs, 1 hour below Austin, the suburbs is the city of San Antonio, which is, in case some of you may not know, the city of San Antonio is even bigger than Austin. It has more population. It has been growing for many years, but some people think that San Antonio is a ugly stepsister of Austin, but no longer. Okay, so the migration, as indicated on this video, people realize that investors and owner-occupied buyers realize, hey, for similar square footage, home in San Antonio is worth maybe less than 20 to 30% lower than the price in Austin. So again, giving the ability to work remotely, or even as the video indicates, that if people in Austin, if they have the ability to work 2 or 3 days out of the week, why live in Austin? Why not live 1 hour to the south of San Antonio, and then commute a couple of days a week and be able to buy a house for a lot cheaper, so regardless, San Antonio itself has a great job boom as well, population and job growth, irrespective of Austin. So it's just, you know, it's a additional bonus to realize that Austin Metro San Antonio is so close to Austin. So anyway, this is a mega region. Austin San Antonio is a mega region in Central Texas. We will see these two areas will merge, will connect to each other down the road. Just like, you know, for many of our investors, just like in the Bay Area, right? I mean, if you've been around Bay Area as often as I have, I live in the Bay Area for more than 30 years. You'll see, you know, the South Bay, San Jose, are connecting to San Francisco up the peninsula, then South Bay, go out to the East Bay, in East Bay, then Tri-Valley, you know, 30, 40, 50 miles away into the Central Valley, into Livermore, into Central Valley. Anyway, all right, so that's what's happening in Central Texas. Just look for it, okay? It's coming very shortly. Prepare yourself, put your financial house in order, get your loan pre-approval by our investment loan agent, and be prepared. It's coming down the pipe. San Antonio market is being reintroduced by our network again, and we are extremely excited about opportunity for you to continue to expand on your real estate portfolio purchases and take advantage of this real estate boom, which is you know, low inventory, continue to be, at least for the next few years, very low inventory, very high demand, historic interest rates, and epic migration of people from the western region of the U.S. Moving and all over the U.S. by, you know, for that matter, moving into Central Texas, Austin, San Antonio, for years to come. So take advantage of this momentum and just create an urgency for yourself. And when it's ready, pull the trigger and consult with myself, with my team, and we'll get it going. Thank you so much. This is Si Wing Yi. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.